Hey there, it's Candis here in the Woodlands Hills in Conroe and Willis, Texas. And today I'm at Chesmar Homes. I'm going to tour the Durham model for you. I'm going to just walk through and tell you about all the beautiful details inside. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath plan. There is an option for a 5th bedroom. And at the end of the video, I'll talk prices and give you more details.
Let's start by taking a really good look at this floor plan for the Durham model. So as I take you through and walk around, you have a really good idea of the overall flow and layout. I'm not going to talk about everything. You can pause the video if you want to look at it in detail, or just let me know in the comments and I can email you a copy. But I wanted to point out a couple of things. On the bottom floor, you can see there's that study / optional bedroom number 5. Right now it's a study. It comes as a study, but you have the option to make it a 5th bedroom if you'd like. Also, I wanted to point out that the master bedroom is tucked at the back of the home for privacy. You also have the option to extend that out if you want to make it a larger bedroom. Upstairs, just quickly pointing out the 3 bedrooms. You have 2 on one side of the home and a split plan with that 4th bedroom on the other side, which I love because that way you have the option for a private bedroom upstairs as well. And then of course the game room that overlooks the grand 2-story family room. All right, let's go in and walk around. Right as you walk through your front door, you get a peek at your 2-story family room, but right off to the side is your utility room with space for side-by-side washer dryer. And I just passed that study optional 5th bedroom on the left. And of course your grand 2-story family room, plenty of windows to bring in the natural light. On the left here is the downstairs powder room, and it has a linen closet, which I thought was really cool. You have a spacious open concept kitchen and casual dining. And into the master bedroom that is tucked away in the back of the home for privacy. Your master bath, of course, also has a walk-in closet, and an option for this master bath is to remove the soaking tub, extend the shower out, and add another sink if you'd like. The master bedroom itself can also be extended if you wanted a larger space. All right, back out here, we're gonna head into the backyard. Now, of course, lot sizes vary, but I wanted to show you that you can extend that back patio if you'd like. Let's head upstairs to the loft and secondary bedrooms. I wanted to point out that the loft has an overlook to this 2-story entryway and the 2-story grand family room. Love that. We're gonna go into the 1st bedroom on one side of the loft. And this is private. It's not next to any other bedrooms or bathrooms. Has a great size closet. So cute. Then you're gonna head back through the loft to the other 2 bedrooms on the other side. There's a linen closet and also a bathroom. I'm going to just let you look while I walk around. This little door gives you attic access. When you purchase a new home with Chesmar Homes, you get to come into their beautiful design center and pick out all of your finishes: flooring, cabinetry, backsplash, all the things.
That's it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Prices for Chesmar Homes here in the Woodlands Hills start in the 300s and go up from there. As you can see, there are inventory homes available for Chesmar right now and for this Durham model. So if you are interested in this model or any other home here in the Woodlands Hills, or if you want to just come out and take a look at this beautiful community, let me know. I'm happy to help you. Also, I've done lots of other videos about the Woodlands Hills, touring the amenities and just taking you for tours around the whole area. So click around or look in the description box below because I have links to all those too. And that's it for now. Have a beautiful day. Bye.